ocean. The river and the road take me home to the ocean. The friends in my life, like stars in the sky, leave the lights on. I'm trying to get back home. The river keeps on flowing to the ocean. The angels above me, they sing that they love me. I'm traveling alone, so far from home and alone. Oh no, angels, angels, please don't leave. I'm trying to get to her with the love she deserves, Lord, please. I've been playing my guitar, laying underneath the stars for you. In the light of the moon, I'll be forever singing tunes for you. When the stars are aligned like the colors in your eyes, greens and blues. It's not when or whether, we'll always be together, it's true. And the angels above me, they sing that they love me, oh Lord. I'm traveling alone, so far from home and home. Oh no, angels, angels, please don't leave. I'm trying to get to her with the love she deserves, Lord, please. And sometimes I feel like my heart's gonna burst at the seams. And sometimes I think it's just love that we want, oh indeed. And sometimes I feel like I'm leaving too much in my dreams. And sometimes, oh Lord, let it be. Let me be whole. How you feel like I'm feeling, searching for the meaning of it all. I spend all my days trying to make some sense of it all. The ocean and the seas and the wind-blown trees are changing. And your love for me is all I need to keep believing. And the angels above me, they sing that they love me, oh Lord. I'm traveling alone, so far from home and Lord. Oh no, angels, angels, please don't leave. I'm trying to get to her with the love she deserves, Lord, please. Oh, please, don't leave me, only me.